Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show that brings you the best press releases out of the small cap world every morning before the open, so you can hopefully capitalize from them and maybe even find your next great small cap investment. It's Wednesday, October the 3rd. I've got 4 great press releases for you. Let's start off first with BSM Technologies. Trades on the TSX Venture Exchange under the stock symbol GPS. Now, full disclosure time, BSM is a client of AGORACOM. However, this sales agreement is too hard to pass up. The company announced a long-term contract with an Ontario transportation conglomerate. They're not naming the company for obvious reasons, because BSM provides GPS security solutions and tracking solutions for these transportation companies, and they don't want you to know what they're using on their transport systems. But what's important here is the contract is valued right now at over $300,000 in initial rollout phase. But the company reports that it may be extended, and that could lead to more than doubling of the value of the contract if the trucking conglomerate covers its entire fleet. BSM right now is trading at 9 cents. Next up, making a repeat performance, VirTra Systems trades on the OTC BB under the stock symbol VTSI. They announced a simulation order from the United States Army. They're going to be providing them with a high definition judgmental use of force scenarios for small arms training. And what it allows them to do, it also allows customers to quickly develop their own custom small arms training scenarios as well. So that's pretty important. What I like about this is the quote from Major General Dalby, who is retired from the U.S. Army, who says, "We continue to receive new and repeat simulator orders from all branches of the military. In addition, I soon expect certain pending international tenders to also be forthcoming." So you got to like this. You've got this microcap company that's making sales to all branches of the U.S. Army, and specifically right now their patented technology is being sold into the Army, Navy, Air Force, and Marines, as well as the Department of Defense and national and international law enforcement agencies. However, the company is trading at 0.19 cents. So we got to take a look at that and find out why the company's trading at such a low price. But it is trading on the stock symbol VTSI. Next up, we reported on this company yesterday, WorldWater and Solar Technologies. Just yesterday, we announced that they signed a deal with Denver International Airport to implement a solar technology system that's going to produce up to 2 megawatts of solar energy at Denver International Airport. Well, today they announced a private share purchase agreement with Quercus Trust. Quercus has acquired 7.5 million shares of the company at just under $1.80 for total proceeds of $13.365 million. This is a major transaction. Prior to this transaction, Quercus actually owned about 8.2% of the company on a fully diluted basis. After this, they're going to own about 10.6% on a fully diluted basis. They also issued warrants with the deal, so Quercus can come back and buy an additional 9 million shares at just over $1.81 a share. The pretty significant transaction. Anytime you see a microcap bring in more than $13 million in cash financing, you've got to know that this is a serious company, or at least somebody out there has a serious belief in the company. And what does Quercus do? They focus on environmental investments in next generation sustainable energy companies. So they obviously have a great deal of confidence in WorldWater and Solar Technologies. Stock symbol on the OTC WWAT, trading right now at $2.06. And finally, PhotoWorks trades on the OTC under the stock symbol PHTW, announced a pretty nice deal here with Toshiba. And what Toshiba is going to do is put desktop icons on all their brand new Toshiba notebooks that are going to link right through to PhotoWorks products and services. And if you haven't figured out by now, PhotoWorks is an internet-based personal publishing company and a photography community. This space, I can't begin to count the number of competitors that PhotoWorks has in this space. And if it was just any other Web 2.0 photo community, we'd brush it aside. But when you see a deal with Toshiba, and Toshiba is going to place that desktop icon right on all future notebooks in the United States, you've got to figure that PhotoWorks has got something positive going on. They're trading at 30 cents right now, and the stock symbol is PHTW. That's it for the day. As always, if you got some market intelligence or information on these companies, we are going to post these notes to our blog, so drop on by. And if you're looking for more great small cap companies, drop by the AGORACOM marketplace. We've got about 70 companies listed right now by industry and exchange, so you can find companies that are best suited for your investment portfolio. That's it. We're a wrap. Have a great day. Talk to you tomorrow.